How to share YouTube video on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share any of your YouTube videos in your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your YouTube application from your device and go ahead and tap on any videos that you would like to share. Then at this page, you will see a share icon. Tap onto it. Here under share, you will see news feed of Facebook. Tap on Facebook. As you do so, it will open up the Facebook account, and here just write in any caption that you would like and tap on post. As you do so, head over to your Facebook app, and this is how it will appear once you shared that YouTube video in your Facebook post. If people tap onto that post, they will get directed to the YouTube page of that song. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.